but then I'm going to choose one method that you can probably use to solve. Then later on we can use another one. Right, the question here, 4x minus y equals 8. Then we have 6x plus y equals 22. Right, so the first thing that you need to do when you're solving simultaneous equations is to name your equations, okay, just for reference sake. So we're going to call this equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Right, so we have two methods that are most common methods is elimination and substitution. So in this case I want us to use elimination. Right, so when you're eliminating, it's like you're getting rid of one of the letters. In this case we have x and y, so we're going to eliminate y. Why are we eliminating y? It's because y has equal coefficients. But how do we eliminate? We consider the signs of those variables. You look at the top equation, the one at the top, you realize that we have a negative sign there. It's negative. And then the one at the bottom has a positive sign. Okay, now since the signs are different, it means for us to eliminate y, we are going to add the two equations. So if signs are different, you add the two equations. Now I want you to take note of this. If you decide you are going to be adding, so make sure you're going to put a plus sign across. This is going to help us to see that we are adding these variables, so these terms, and also we are adding this 2 and adding those 2 as well. Alright, so let's start with the x's. It means we have 4x plus 6x. Now when you add minus y plus y, you automatically get a 0. Okay, so in that way we have eliminated y. So that means the left hand side only has 4x plus 6x. Now equals 8 plus 22. Okay, so I think I left something up here. You need to indicate that you are adding the two equations, adding equation 1 and 2. Alright, so on the left hand side, what do we have? We have 10x equals 30. Then we can divide by 10 by 10, meaning x is equal to 3. So we are not yet done. We now need to find the value of y. So now what we're going to do, we're going to substitute the value of x in any of those two equations. So I'm going to take equation 1 in equation 1. Now we're going to write our equation 1, 4x minus y equals 8. So when you're substituting, I'll advise you to use brackets. So in place of x now we put 3 minus y equals 8. So brackets mean that imply that you're multiplying. So this gives us 12 minus 8 equals, 12 minus y equals 8. Then from now we can take y that side and take x this side. Take note, you change side and you change the sign. The reason why I'm taking y that side, I'm avoiding having a negative sign on my variable. So that means I have 12 minus 8 being equal to positive y. So 4 is equal to y. Right. So you can always double check. You can verify. Okay. So I'm going to use this space for verification. Right. Verification. To check if your answers are correct. So we're taking equation 1. 4, where there is x, we put 3 minus y, which is 4, right, equals. So now when we simplify this, you realize we're going to get 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 gives us 8, which is equal to the number that we had up there, right? Check here, this 8. So which means our answer is correct. We can use the second equation as well. 6 open bracket with 3 there plus 4. This will give us 18 plus 4. You realize the answer is 22. So perfect. It means our answers are correct. So therefore, the x value is equal to 3 and the y value is equal to 4. This is how we solve simultaneous equations. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to explain